Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. It's Saturday and the middle of the month. That must mean it's cards in the mail to me. So I have got all sorts of goodies to show you. So we are right in the middle of December now, and so I've got a mixture of Christmas cards, voucher cards, thank you cards. So let me go through them. I've got a box just on one side. Beautiful Christmas card that's arrived in the post to me. Absolutely love it. I love all this glittery stuff that's going on. Can you see that? Super glitter. Why is my phone? There's the focus. Just gorgeous. And then all of the stamping in the background. Do you know what? I'm just going to put that box down. It'll be easier. Then I've got two hands. Just love it. Beautiful thank you card. I used this stamp set myself recently on a birthday card that came out earlier this week. Actually, on the day that I'm filming it, it came out today. I'm filming it on Thursday. You're seeing it on Saturday. But yeah, I love that stamp set. It's so beautiful. Another gorgeous card here. So who's this from? This is from somebody in my team, and it's just gorgeous. And I love the extra detail. I don't know if you can see it. Our reindeer has got a little red nose, just too cute. And then there's extra glittery detail there. Just love there. Oh, there we go. You can see it. So we've got a shiny red nose, of course, because it's Rudolph. Love it. Another Christmas card here. I love these cards. This is from somebody who comes shopping with me. Thank you, Wendy. And there's all sorts of glittery detail on the Christmas tree. So pretty. But I've loved these papers. Oh, I'm such a lucky girl. I've got a non-handmade Christmas card. And I just thought it was lovely because it's got kitty cats in it, and 3 of them. And actually there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See a black cat. You can never spot a black cat. They're like ninjas. But it's glittery. And 4 cats, 4 boys. I think that's possibly about right. And who remembers the cookie cutter punch? Huh? I love that. So this is from Astrid, who's in my team, and she's out in Austria. I loved that stamp set. It was so much fun. Loving the velvet on here. Oh, I really like the velvet on there. That's lovely. Can you see that? Brilliant. Love this one because it's. Do you know what? This came. An American demonstrator came to my rescue, and when she posted her rescue pack to me, she knows what it means, Jodie, don't you? I think it was just that side of Thanksgiving, and I love it because we don't do Thanksgiving here, you know, because we're English or British, so we don't do Thanksgiving, but I love to see them. I've got 2 here. This is from my lovely Jenny. So Jenny often makes treats and goodies and stuff that I share with the children, and this one's just for me, and you'll see inside why. She's so naughty and her stuff appears regularly in here. Inside this tissue, Hotel Chocolat blackcurrant bombs, my favourites. They are just divine. I'm tempted to open one of these in front of you, but actually I'm just going to send you to Hotel Chocolat to get your own. But they are a liquid, but it's like a thick gloopy liquid it's like a burst of blackcurrant in dark chocolate. And I'm not a dark chocolate fan, but I absolutely love those. I'm just going to leave those out while I'm here. So yeah, matching card and the box as well. Brilliant. And then I've got a couple more in here. So I've got the envelope that goes with this one, and this one is from this is my roommate Kay. When we were on stage recently, I managed to leave a top behind. Now, if you kind of even vaguely know what I'm like, I'm extremely organised and plan it, absolutely everything. So when I go on holiday, I know exactly what I'm wearing on every single day. And that's holiday, that's work trips, that's everything. I know exactly what I'm wearing in the daytime, exactly what I'm wearing in the evening, on set dates. And so she sent me a message. She said, because there were a couple of tops left in our room. We'd left our luggage at the hotel, went to the Christmas markets for the day, came back, collected our luggage at the end of the day and got the plane home. And the housekeeping team had found a couple of tops, and they'd left them on my suitcase. And I just glanced at the top one and I saw that they're yours, Kay. And she then sent me a text message when she got home, because she just bung them in her suitcase, and she said, "It's one of your tops from Phase 8, Sam." And I went, "Really?" And she said, "Yes, a black one." And I said, "I didn't take a black Phase 8 one." So I cannot, for the life of me, remember a point in time where I wore a plain black Phase 8 top the entire time I was there. That's a really long, rambly story to go along with the fact that she sent me a gorgeous card and a matching stamped envelope, along with the jumper that she put back in the post to me. What a sweetie. And then I've got a couple more here before I get into a really, really, really big box. I can't get this one out. There we go. So I have a couple more here. This is very sweet. So this is one of my team who did a trip to Canada recently, and she picked up some stuff there for me, which is very, very sweet. And then this is Dagmar, who I met for the first time. She's one of my German demonstrators, and I met her on stage for the first time, and she's made these beautiful balloons. That looks to be, I'm fairly certain this is from the Tutti Frutti punch pack, and it's the pears, and she's turned them upside down to make balloons. How clever is that? And I don't know if you can see it. These are, I'm hoping I can get close enough to tip it. These ones are on Noble Peacock foiled paper, and then these two are Celebration from last year. That was the holographic Grapefruit Grove, and then the lovely lipstick. There you go, you can see it on there now. Just so clever. And then the I think it's called Above the Clouds. Gorgeous. Right, so I'm going to put that to one side, because I then have this enormous box. So I have, my team are just incredible. You know that. I could talk all day about how incredible my team are. But one of my girls, oh, this came with one of my cards, and it was one of the first ones. Green and black, yum. The butterscotch one is my favourite, but I really, really like the milk chocolate. And yes, I like them all. But yeah, so my team are incredible. You know that. I talk about them all of the time. And one of my girls recently wasn't able to make our team event, and so she left her cards, her swap cards, with another demonstrator, and we collected all of her swaps. I put them together, and I put all of our make and take packs and posted them to her. And so she sent me a thank you, but she popped a note in it to say that she was sending me a thank you and my Christmas card at the same time. It's this beautiful card, and this is made with our washi tape, where it's on each petal is, you peel it off. I think that's gorgeous. And then this one, that is a proper snow globe going on there, is with our shaker domes, our snow domes. Just gorgeous. So this is Beck's house. And then, then it turns into incredible. So I have this amazing box here, and she knows me well, and she's watched my videos, because inside here, and as soon as I opened it, I went, oh, I know what that is. Look at this. Love the box. That's just beautiful, with the perfect lid, obviously, and the beautiful stamped detail. And then in here, it's a 2 up, 2 down mug, and I put them on Instagram quite frequently, and I've put them in a video before now. When it rains, look for rainbows. When it's dark, look for stars. And it's rainbows inside. Oh, she's so naughty. And then I have these that she put together for me. Absolutely full of Christmas chocolates, and there's going to be a lot, because these things hold a lot. And actually what was really funny was, earlier the day that they arrived, I'd said to my husband, I can't believe we've got to December and I actually haven't, not only have I not bought Christmas, I can't even fit them all back in. Not only have I not bought Christmas chocolates, I haven't even started them yet. So, and then this turned up. I never go out. I'm always in all day. And there's still more to come, by the way. And my the postman left a note to say a parcel's been delivered, but we've had to take it back. And I'm like, oh, that never happened. So in here, and this is for Chris, so we're going to peep, don't tell him what's in here. More posh chocolates for him. And I know that one's for, well, I'm hoping that one's for Chris. I'm hoping that one's for me. But there's still more to come. There is this enormous box of Thornton's Continental chocolates, which are just divine. They're right up there with Hotel Chocolat. They really are. They are amazing. Sicilian mousse, love that one. It's all lemony and zingy, and they're all just gorgeous. But there's still more, because then she put in here 1, 2, you know where this is going, don't you? 3, 4 boxes, which are for my 4 boys, and the box that it's coming is enormous. It's absolutely, it's huge. So I had to wait for it. I was like, well, I'm not expecting a parcel. And then, yeah, a few days later they came back. Because redelivery is not quick at Christmas time, is it? So I'm going to take a peep in here. I know that these are for the children. They won't mind. But in here, look at this. She's made personalised selection boxes for them. Absolutely jam-packed, full of chocolate bars. Milky Bar, Galaxy, Twix, Kit Kat, Smarties, Crunchy. Amazing. What an amazing, incredible, wonderful thing to do for me and for my boys. And I'm so blessed with my team. I'm so inspired by them. Their creativity blows me away. Their support is phenomenal, like I've never seen before. They are just remarkable, and this is the kind of thing that makes me get a little bit emotional. I really do get very emotional about my team. But all of the treats and goodies that I've been sent are, they're just, every single one of them touches my heart and warms my heart, and just says, it kind of validates that I do a good job, and that people understand what I do and enjoy what I do. And you know, I do kind of say it every time I do one of these videos, never underestimate the power of a handmade card when you don't know it's coming. You know, these are just, I didn't know any of these were coming, and all this pile of them here, apart from the one from Jodie. That's the, well, I didn't know a card was coming, I just thought a thing was coming. But every single one of these cards, I went, oh, somebody's written to me? They're writing to me? And so seriously, if you make cards, make them and post them, send them out. They just, it's the best thing to receive, and it's the most fun thing to send. You guys know that, because I make hundreds of thank you cards every month, and I adore putting them together for all my amazing customers. So yeah, make a card and get one sent out. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to see you very soon. Bye.